What a day.
Yeah. Snow. They said on the news that snow's gonna be coming.
Yeah, but let's go watch the news right now. Oh, hey guys. I've just baked some cookies right now.
Oh, I want some. Bring it.
Hold on. They still have to, cool down. I'll just go get them.
Breaking news! We're gonna have a large blizzard tonight, so get your fires ready and warm up some hot cocoa, cause this is gonna be a long night. In other news, residents will not be able to drive around to enforce safety precautions. And this is Channel 6 signing off. Back to you, Fred.
Oh no!
Oh no! The blizzard! Oh man, this is gonna be bad. Serious trouble bad.
Why are you sound like Sonic?
I don't know. I'm just so worried. Hey guys, I brought some cookies. Sweet.
Bet. Give me one.
Okay, but here you go, Knuckles.
What kind are they?
Peanut butter.
Sonic!
Huh?
I just want to go sit on the couch.
No. No.
Stop.
Go ahead.
Oh, help me.
Go ahead.
Yay!
I need some milk with this.
Hey, you're in my way. Get off, Mario. Oh, sorry. Hold on, let me get on. That feels better.
So, Mario, how's plumbing today?
Crappy, literally. Well,
Wait, you
yeah.
plum?
Huh?
Oh, here, Mario, try a cookie.
Yes, I'm a plumber.
No, you're not.
Oh, thank you. That'd be pretty good. Set them on my lap for me, would ya?
Yeah.
Oh, put one for me too.
Okay, you could get this one.
Okay, that looks good.
Yep. Alright, let's dig in.
Guys, I heard it's gonna be sunny, really sunny, or snowy. It's either sunny or snowy. But I think it's sunny, so come on, let's go to the beach.
No!
Why?
Foxy, there's going to be a blizzard.
No.
Yes,
I
it is.
got told it's gonna be sunny.
Did you check the forecast?
Yeah, it said today it's gonna be really sunny, so get your
Oh no, my cookie.
fire and hot cocoa, which is weird. I don't know why you want fire and hot cocoa when it's sunny. That'll be only snowy.
It's not sunny, it is snowy. Yeah, Mario's right.
Yeah. Besides, have you checked outside, how you just check outside again?
Hi. What are you doing here, Foxy? Wait, Foxy. Twister Foxy.
It's going to be snowy.
Stupid. Sit down.
Okay.
I guess it's a full house, isn't it?
It's Reaper.
Reaper? How you come to our house?
Creeper! Ah, man.
No.
It is really snowy.
Yeah, Twisted Foxy is not wrong.
Oh, yay, the Grim Reaper, my favorite. I remember, the one episode that I tried to, mess with you with my other, siblings, Yakko and... No, I'm Yakko. Wacko and Dot. Or Princess Angelina, Contessa Francesca,
Shush,
Banana,
you
Fofana, Babeska the
guys.
Third.
Hello, you guys. You know it's going to be a blizzard tonight.
Ooh, a scary bear.
Hey, you better watch those lips before you'll lose one.
Ow!
Yeah.
Hey,
Good.
I was sitting there.
Killing me.
Well, looks like we got a fuller house.
Everywhere you look, everywhere is the up.
So, why are you here? 'Cause I don't want to, stay here any longer, 'cause my other, people will be here in this location, 'cause we can't afford a house. We've been sticking here, in the parts of service, and we have to, scare a kid,
You're
and...
creepy.
Well,
Ugly.
Yes, I'm supposed to be scary.
And ugly.
Whatever.
Ugly.
Yeah. So you could guys stay here if you want. Like,
But they're
there's
poor!
poor
Hey,
Mario.
that's a rude thing to say.
Yeah,
Alright,
that's
fine.
rude, Mario. Come on, guys.
Poor
Let's
village
show you
down
around.
our luck.
Okay. Come on, everybody.
Why is my neck so floppy? I'm gonna go too. Hold on.
Mario. Where are you, Mario? Oh, there you are, Mario. Everyone's tucked in bed. I'm at bed. Sorry for that. So, just warm us up some cup of cocoa, cause this is gonna be a long night before the blizzard ends.
Well, the blizzard, they said it was gonna hit for a few more days.
What?
Here, check on the TV.
Oh, let me go turn on the news.
Breaking news! It is reported that 3 more blizzards are on its way, and these will make up for the 3 other days of blizzard. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. And in other news, just make sure you stay safe outside, because the blizzards will die down in intensity, but it is still recommended to stay inside. So, what I recommend you do as this fall holiday goes on, you could probably cook up some ham, or probably make some cornbread. And that is Channel 6 signing off. Back to you, Fred. Oh, hold on, let me pick that up. No!
Oh,
Another 3 days of blizzards!
what?
Just great!
Oh man, this is gonna be bad. How are we gonna survive through like 3 days? We don't have enough food.
Yeah, to feed everybody else.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I think I have some in the garage. Hold on.
Okay, Mario. Oh man, I'm so worried.
Sonic, I believe... Where are you?
What is it, Mario?
Sonic, I believe I have some good news and bad news.
Start with the bad news.
The bad news is that, the rest of our food is frozen up. Luckily, we have enough food to survive.
Great! But,
But we're gonna have to live off of ice cream and Hot Pockets.
okay, that's good. But,
So what are we gonna do for the past few days? Because we have a very limited amount of paper, so we can't really draw that much. Hey, at least I get a few days off from my plumbing job.
yeah. And, how are we supposed to get... Ouch. So, how are we supposed to get the supplies that we need? You know, like toilet paper, more toothpaste, more
Do you realize
towel-
I have some of those in the garage still? Like, we haven't bought groceries in like a day. Like, I got groceries yesterday actually.
Wow. Man, this is gonna be exciting, Mario. We could just sit here and hang out with our best BFFs.
Oh yeah, you got that right.
Yeah.
You know, me crashing with my cool teenage adult hedgehog.
Yep. And I could do this.
Dance on the couch.
Yeah. And watch me. I haven't tried this. I'm gonna try to jump very high up to the ceiling.
Try to.
Yep.
Oh crap! Are you okay, Sonic?
I'm alright.
Sonic, speak to me.
I said I'm alright.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me help you up. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Oh man. Wait.
Hold on, I gotta pick up the light.
Why are you seeing some ice on the roof?
I don't know.
Wait, is there ice on the ceiling?
Oh, icicles.
Icicles.
I'm just gonna go to sleep now.
Yeah.
Alright, good night, Sonic.
Okay, I'm going to make something for me to eat.
Little did Mario know that things were gonna go wrong the next day. Things are about to get real goofy, if you know what I mean. Will Mario ever find out what's gonna go wrong? Will Sonic ever know how to stop it? These questions will be answered on the next exciting episode of The Adventures of Sonic and Mario. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. But before we leave, we'd like to tell you that we have been on a hiatus for quite a long time. Right, Jalen?
Mm-hmm.
And we would love to make it up to you guys by making a brand new episode. You see, the reason we've been on hiatus for so long was that our tablet broke when the first episode was being filmed. So we had to wait wait for a long time just to get new equipment. So I hope you are happy with the quality of this video and other videos to come in the future. This is signing off from Variko the Show, or none of that at all, but this is Mario and Sonic on adventures.
Well, stay tuned for part 2.
Yup. And then again, we are going to see you next time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I'm Mario.
I'm Sonic.
And this is
Variko.
the show. Goodbye.
Bye.